cargo van. You can fit about 30 of these in the machine back there, and the bucket with the two 50-foot sections of hose. So I happen to get these at Home Depot. I tried Lowe's, but their machine was actually broken. As long as you buy like 20 bags, you get it for free. So I had to run the hose up through the... This is actually like the attic above my garage that somebody didn't quite install right. They didn't insulate or anything. There's actually water pipes running up here to my washer and dryer. So we had to blow some insulation. It was only like $450 for like 30 bags, and like I said, the machine's free. Only took us, I think, about 5 total hours. Definitely much better than the thousands of dollar quote got for somebody else to do it. It did help a lot. First, underneath all this plastic, there's actually the pipes are down in there, and I even put some foam insulation surrounded them, and then covered them in this blown insulation. So I try to fill the walls up as high as I can with this plastic up here, and then put the cardboard on the edges there to keep it from going out the other end of the roof. And it worked pretty well. It wasn't the cleanest job in the world, but it was fun. It's all done now. The laundry room's a little warmer. Hopefully the pipes are not going to freeze ever again. Make sure you wear your mask and goggles there, because it gets pretty messy.